First, take down the film shaft on the packaging machine. Then loosen one side of the film holder. Put the other side into the packaging film roll. Put it on, then install the fixing screws. After installing, lift up the film and stick it onto the frame. Stack it well, then move the roll to a relatively centered position. Tighten the screws. Take the packaging film. Fold it to half. Use the scissors. Cut a bevel. A V-shaped bevel. Put the film between the rubber wheels. Continue to move this rod upwards. Pull out some lengths. Then pass the bottom sensor rod. Pull out the packaging film from this shaft inside. After pulling it out, go around the backmost shaft. Pull down. After pulling it down, put the tip of the V-shape of the film into the back formel. Push both sides with your hands. Pull down. When pulled to this position, go to the touch screen, find the jog operation interface. Click Jog Vertical Seal. Jog Vertical Seal. Seal the back sealing. Continue to pull down. Open the clutch of the back wheel. Put the back sealing into the middle of the back wheels. Close the clutch. Click Jog the back on touch screen. Click Jog Vertical Seal. Jog the back. Jog Vertical Seal. Jog the back. Jog Vertical Seal. Then click Jog Horizontal Seal. This is the film loading process of all Bestar packing machine.